Okay, welcome back. I know it's been a long time, but it's December, 2nd? Oh, whoops, I need to call my mom. It's December 2nd, and I wanted to try to do a video every week for the month of December. Not necessarily this Vlogmas thing, but just to hold myself accountable and be more consistent with it, because I do love doing it. And the part that the filming's fine, it's taking the time or finding the time to sit down and edit it and upload it, or not even upload, just edit it. That takes time. So maybe I'll just make these videos a little shorter. I don't know. But anyway, today, this is my Friday morning routine. I usually do some sort of workout class in the morning. If I can get into my 8 a.m. Pilates class, I do that, which I did today. It seems to be more difficult as it grows in popularity, but I, try to book it out weeks in advance. And then I like to go to some sort of coffee shop to get some work done. And by that, I mean just some wedding stuff, maybe some homework for my health coaching class I'm doing, and other miscellaneous things. And then we'll go from there. I know I have to return something, or take something to the post office to return. That I always dread doing. But today is a day to get some stuff done, and also a day to spend some time with myself, which I've been lacking this week. And yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go in now. Okay, I just got back from the post office, so I thought I'd show you what I was wearing today. Little outfit of the day. Oh, just saw something. I can leave the details below, but what I did want to say was this little set that I got from what is it called? Prism, something. Not prison. Prism. I had high hopes for it. The top is even, it's not like too small. It fits right. But the material, I think, is not the best, because I got this set, and then not even like a week after wearing it, the seams started to rip. And so I reached out to their customer service, which is really nice, and they sent me a new one. And then I've had this one, and it's been maybe like, I don't know, 4 months. But that being said, I don't wear it a lot because I was fearful that it would rip again, and it did. And I don't even do like any crazy like moves in it. I'm usually only doing like Pilates or yoga, and I don't know. I just feel like for a workout set, it should be a little more, I don't know if sustainable is the right word, but it should be able to withstand movement. So I don't know. I just probably wouldn't recommend. Although it is super cute and it's comfortable, I think I end up leaning towards wearing it now more so for just like lounging around the house. It is Sunday, and I'm about to go to the grocery store. So this is how I organize my list. Actually, this is not usually how I organize my list. Usually I will make a little note of like what I want to make for breakfast, or like, an idea I have, something I've been craving. And then I'll put, lunch or snack ideas, and then dinner ideas. And usually for dinner, I'll do maybe like 1 or 2 dinners, and then I'll kind of like have leftovers throughout the week. So this is what it looks like now. I, organize it into fruits, vegetables, proteins, other, etc. My plan is to make a carrot ginger soup and do like a rosemary chicken with broccoli or something for dinner. And then for breakfast, I'm going to make these little blondie muffins, and lunch will probably be egg salad. So I go through, write down all the ingredients, cross off the things I already have that I don't need, and then make a list of what I do in these categories. So now I am going to head out. Yeah. Okay, I just got in from the grocery store and it is so hot in here. I had to just like rip my sweater and hat off, and it's just sort of it's a mess in here. I need to clean this up and put my groceries away, and I'll show you what I got. It's gonna be one of those days where I'm gonna need a second cup of coffee in like a few hours. Okay, this is what we have. I kind of just laid it all out in no particular order. I got a bunch of herbs. Dill is gonna be for an egg salad I'm gonna make with the Greek yogurt on this rye bread. I could not bring myself to pay. They had romaine, a small head, for $4. Is it $4 or $5? I just could not bring myself to do it. That's just crazy. So I'm gonna get that somewhere else. This pistachio milk, oh, it's just the best. I just can't get away from that. Chicken, maple syrup, and chickpeas for my little muffins. Broccoli, carrots, ginger, yeah. I also got these chestnuts, which I'm excited to give a go at making. I tried doing them a few weeks ago, and my fiance's mom used to make them, or she still does all the time, but she's in Florida now, and I messaged her for what she usually does, like for the recipe, and I baked them. There's two, you could either bake or boil. I baked a few weeks ago, they just didn't turn out. They were dry and hard and not like what I remember having. So I'm gonna try to boil them this time and see how that goes. Never mind my dirty pan, but these are the little blondie muffins that I made. I'll link the recipe below. It's quite easy. It's just chickpeas, almond butter, maple syrup, vanilla, baking soda, baking powder. But this is what I'm gonna be having for breakfast this week. It's really easy to make, has some protein from the chickpeas, and just easy to take on the go. I've really been enjoying this book I got from my uncle, and I just started it, but it's one of those books where you don't have to read it in chronological order. You can kind of look at the index and see what you feel like you want or you need at the moment, and I've already kind of like marked down some of the ones I think I would like to read first. But it's just really, I don't know, introspective, and yeah, it makes you think.